Hi, my name is Sam and today I'll be showing you around the Range Rover Vogue. This is the SE SD V8 and it's covered just 52,225 miles, and as you can see it's absolutely stunning. Starting with the front of the vehicle, you are presented with a gorgeous satin chrome grille design with a matching Range Rover badging and Land Rover logo. Lower down houses the side intakes, which have the matting satin chrome blades along with the satin chrome lower front bumper trim. Adaptive xenon headlights with automatic levelling and daytime running lights also come equipped, helping in a wide array of different driving conditions. This vehicle wears the amazing 21-inch 10 split spoke alloy wheels, and as you can see they complement the car really well. Lower satin door trims follows along with fender vents, really iconic to the Vogue, and we also have the electrically power folding heated door mirrors. The passengers can benefit from rear privacy glass and sliding panoramic sunroof. We also have the gloss black surrounds and the keyless entry. Another look now at those fantastic 21-inch wheels. Look absolutely stunning. And stepping away slowly, you can appreciate just how gorgeous this Range Rover Vogue really is. Progressing to the rear of the vehicle now, and you can see that lovely iconic design with the integrated sporty roof spoiler. We also have the continued rear privacy glass and relevant Range Rover badging with the Vogue SE SD V8 in Crewe and Land Rover logo. We have the LED rear tail lights and the lower black bumper trim with twin exhausts. This vehicle features an electric tailgate, which with one simple press of the button will automatically open the tailgate, revealing that huge 909 litre boot space, which could comfortably fit multiple large suitcases and cater for a range of other activities. There is also a lower powered tailgate, as demonstrated here, providing great accessibility. Opening the doors to this Range Rover Vogue deploys the sleek electrically operated door steps, which allows you to gain access to the wonderful interior, where metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with a multifunctional heated leather steering wheel, the neatly designed centre console, 8-inch touchscreen display. Lower down houses dual cup holders and armrests, along with an 825 watt Meridian sound system and mood lighting. Also, the driver and passenger can benefit from 18-way memory leather heated and cooled front seats, which are perfect for those long journeys. Push button start and the Range Rover Vogue comes alive, revealing that clean semi-digital instrument cluster and the 8-inch touchscreen display with dual view technology, which houses a range of functions such as audio demonstrated here, allowing you to access a range of radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. Navigation is also available with on and off road maps, allowing you to input all relevant travel information quickly and easily. A phone option is also available, allowing you to pair your phone via Bluetooth, which is great for those hands-free calls. And additional manoeuvring cameras can also be accessed, which are really convenient in getting you in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses a 3-zone climate control, reducing any arguments between you and your passenger over temperature. We also have dual cup holders and additional driving modes with armrest storage and power supply. Another really nice feature is the opening panoramic sunroof, which with one simple click will retract the opening glass, allowing you to feel the summer breeze. And the headlining can also be retracted, allowing you to have a more focused driving environment. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring matching leather seats with the contrast stitching and electrical adjustments. Metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with the rear leather storage pouches and the dual air vents to that 3-zone climate control. Additional cup holders can also be found, along with the controls to the rear entertainment, which can be found in the front headrests. Additional climate control settings can also be found, along with rear armrest storage with power supply, and the speaker system situated throughout. If this exceptional Range Rover Vogue is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Motor Match Crewe, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.